Hey guys, Rhett here. What's going on? At my client Raphael's first Section 8 rental property, guys. I am so excited for Raphael. This is a big project, a big project. Rafi bought this house, guys, for about $30,000. It was in utter disarray. We are doing everything. Brand new replumb. It has a new roof, brand new electrical rewiring, new HVAC, all new ductwork, and then all cosmetic items as well. It's been fully re-sided. It's getting all new windows. This is as close as it gets to a full rebuild for a Section 8 rental property. So I want to take you through here. We're turning this into a 4-bedroom conversion. Originally it was a 3. We're turning it into a 4. It is going to have everything. It's going to be fantastic. So I want you to come through it now, and then we'll come through it again once it's 100% complete, and you'll be able to see start to finish what this thing has looked like. So I want to walk in here, guys. So all the new windows are going in now. We've got the first 3 for the front of the house in, brand new vinyl windows. So originally this right here was part of the living room. You walked in, it was an old living room, huge living room. And as you guys can tell, this is one of those old houses that has big rooms. So a lot of times we have big square footage like this. That's always good, because the bigger the square footage, the more value we'll get on the refinance, but we have to add some value. So we built this bedroom. So as you can see, it's being framed in right here, okay? So all this is being framed in. This was a doorway that led into the kitchen. We're gonna frame that off. You won't even know that that's there. We'll put brand new windows there as well. They're boarded up right now because the original windows all got taken out. You don't want to leave the house wide open, so you board them up in the meantime, but all new windows will go there as well. And then we'll frame out a closet, and I think in this corner, we'll frame out the closet, and we'll be good to go on that. Now, as we keep walking through the house, it's getting new bathrooms, new kitchen, new everything. Everything in this entire house is being touched. So as you can see, as we walk through, the whole house has already been wired for brand new electrical. So you'll see, and I'll touch on something, same with plumbing. But so we have bedroom number 2 right here, okay? So as you can tell, like we've done in other videos, if you look at all the outlets, you'll see every outlet we have and switch, all brand new electrical wiring, okay, everywhere, same overhead. So it's a brand new 2024 code upgrade with that. All the windows, these will all be put in. The windows are actually right here behind you. So all these brand new windows will go in as well, okay? You can see what a bad roof does over a long period of time. So all of this will be re-drywalled, and all of this bad wood will come out and be replaced. And I'll show you exactly what I mean by that. As we kind of keep going here. So we have our kitchen on our right, okay? And then on our left, we have what used to be the bathroom. You guys can see, we got guys underneath there doing demo down there, doing piping, doing plumbing, doing HVAC ductwork, and doing framing. So this was our bathroom, okay? And as you can see, all of this up here, you can see just the water damage, okay, that existed here from the roof. So all of this has to come out. You can see that all of this rotted wood on the side, this all has to come out. We have to get this all inspected by the city to make sure that there's no rotten wood left, and we'll have to replace all that, okay? New window will go in right there. You see all the brand new PVC. So this is our brand new drain lines, our drain vent, and all of our new plumbing for this bathroom. You can see the brand new electrical housing for our light and our vent. Again, brand new PVC, all new water lines here, and then our brand new electrical boxes here with all new wiring there as well. So then we'll secure this floor, and then obviously not going to step on any of that right now, as they're rebuilding the floor system underneath here to make sure that we're secure. So we'll have our bedroom number 3 right here, all new windows going there as well. And then right across the hallway, you'll have bedroom number 4. Now, these rooms have been cleaned up unbelievably. It's getting all new LVP. This whole place is getting repainted, all new light fixtures, everything brand new. You guys can see brand new outlets everywhere, brand new switches everywhere. We'll put our brand new window in there as well. But overall, it's going to be drastically different than what it was. So as we continue through, we're going to go into the kitchen. So everything in the kitchen, again, all new wiring, all new plumbing, and everything here. And then as we walk into this is our electrical and washer dryer hookups. So you see all the washer dryer hookups, brand new panel, okay? Looks really, really good. And then everything else, all this other small stuff, this is all just cosmetic. We'll cover all this up. We don't need any of this anymore anyway. We'll put our GFI will be right there, although I believe they're GFI protected in the panel box, which means you don't need to have GFIs near water because they're all GFI protected at the box. So we'll have our pantry here. We'll have our stove and our range in this kitchen as well. And then you also have a nice little eat-in area here where you can put a kitchen table and put a bunch of people around it. You can build out a little bit of a bench situation on both sides, which we might do. We might build a bench, and then you can put a table in between. So it could be that style seating as well. But overall, guys, you kind of see what damage takes place in a house that's old and that has water damage. So one thing that I tell people a lot, people send me properties all the time in areas where, and not only areas, but homes like this that have been subjected to weather over such a long period of time. And especially when you get into that lower price point of homes, distressed homes, foreclosures, tax deeds and tax liens, which we don't do a lot of because I disagree with a lot of the ethical and morals that surround tax deed investing. But overall, in just distressed properties, a lot of wholesale properties that you can come across, they're cheap because the problems are profound. They're very, very complex issues that take very, very veteran construction teams to fix and get ready. And this is a situation where we are going into a home that is old, that has old problems. When we get into these old houses, there's a lot of stuff that needs to be done. However, no problem, we do it. And believe it or not, this project will be done in about 2.5, 3 weeks, which is just mind-boggling. So we're gonna rip through it. The longest thing that it takes for a lot of these projects to do is a lot of the mechanical work. We're just finishing that up. Once we get crews to take place on the inside, they're gonna fly through this. So guys, super happy for Raphael. If you guys wanna have the confidence to do a project like this, you have to do it with people that do it all the time, that understand, okay, this is how you do it. This is the right way to do it. This is the most cost-effective way to do it. Time-wise, this is the way to do it where it's not going to take 6 months to do the project. And if you want somebody to help you through that, guys, send me an email in the description below. Okay, that's all our information. Reach out. You can be just like Raphael. Build out a portfolio of units like this where you have an unbelievably amount of added value immediately once we're done, and you get max rent for a unit like this. You don't have to be afraid to take these units on when you have the right teams in place. So guys, reach out and we'll get you set up, and we'll see you next time.